Meet the M-40 tool and cutter grinder from Kent, USA, the perfect machine for resharpening tools with precision and ease. Grind tools at exact angles with ease using the workhead indexing attachment, which offers 24 positions at 15 degrees. Shape and finish round tools quickly with the cylindrical grinding attachment and its 4-inch 3-jaw chuck, while the 5C chuck on the workhead keeps your tools secure. Create smooth, rounded edges with the radius grinding attachment. Rely on the 1.5 horsepower spindle motor for steady, consistent power. Adjust to multiple angles effortlessly. The table swivels 120 degrees for flexible setups. Ideal for resharpening drills, end mills, taps, and lathe tools. Want to take your shop to the next level? Visit us at kentusa.com and message us for a personalized quote. Kent USA, your provider for quality machine tools and services.